Taoiseach, I'd like to return to the National Maternity Hospital, and particularly in the context of your emphasis on honesty. Now, last Tuesday the Cabinet had concerns and it couldn't sign off on the proposal for the National Maternity Hospital, and you've allowed a 2-week period, and yet in between consistently we've been told by government sources that there'll be no change. Now that is disingenuous. Why are we going through this process with a committee meeting tomorrow if there's going to be no change? Ivra Hain and Ivra though, you raised Fergus Findlay, and I want to reiterate what Deputy Cairns has said. You used Fergus Findlay's article today to back up the narrative, and you're entitled to do that. It is democracy. But can you clarify for now, can Professor Madden and can Sarah McLaughlin speak out equally? And you're going to tell me it's a matter for the board, but I'm asking you specifically because your minister yesterday on Morning Ireland, or one of the RTE programmes, saw no problem with the 2 dissenting voices speaking to us and clarifying why they dissented. Can you tell me your opinion?
Well, first of all, the Cabinet didn't take a decision last week in relation to this to make sure there be full transparency in relation to all of the documents that are underpinning government's consideration and the decision that government will take. And you would have been in the House asking that the government wouldn't take a decision before issues were made public, and all of the documentation has been made public. There will be a hearing tomorrow before the Health Committee. And to date, I haven't heard anything that undermines the idea of clinical, financial, operational independence for the hospital, or that undermines or raises any questions around those services that are lawfully permitted in the state being provided. I haven't heard anything really that questions the fundamentals in terms of those agreements, and in respect then of the HSE board members. My sense is that the HSE board needs to deal with that, because there's more than 3 members on the board. And I'm sure you yourself on another time on another issue would say that the board itself collectively has a responsibility to articulate its position. I have, because it's in the public domain. You have quoted the minutes of the HSE board.
Thank you. We can't go into it in such detail,
Deputy. And I take your point.
Please, we're out of time.